Welcome to another educational, entertaining and funny episode on Caught on Dashcam. In today's episode again we prepared the fresh and amazing content of bad drivers on the road, so watch carefully and learn from their mistakes. Important to notice is that we do not condone any violence and also nobody is injured in our videos. Enjoy.
The jury gave me my life back. Truth never perishes, Johnny Depp. I felt that. Congratulations to Johnny. His team funds defamation suit.
Don't you worry.
Okay, go.
Yo creo que lo que puedo hacer... No, métase en su línea. Yo estoy primero que usted.
It's called The Mother Country Radical is his podcast, and you can hear it wherever you get your podcasts, including here on the Odyssey.
Pero a la mala.
Our in-depth conversation with Zaid. Our 880 in-depth podcast.
Es que no sabe respetar.
Venga, corra, pase, huele. Sí. Mira, ay. Oh my God.
In 3/4 of a
maniac.
mile, take exit 5A, on the right, to Route 28 South.
Like, unless you want to start printing all the price tags in size 18 font. I mean, it wouldn't be a bad idea. Maybe then thieves will know that there's a price on them, so you actually have to buy them. But, Jesus Christ, guy, how many bags did you order?
The guy in front of you?
I think this dude sold out the restaurant. Yep, drive over the curb and almost run into my car. That sounds like fun.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, it's a minivan with eyelashes on it. Like an all-star.
Sounds like him.
What are we doing? Now there's a person getting out of the car in front of me to walk up to the car in front of that one. Oh, great.
What?
Guy in front of me is starting a fight with the Burger King guy.
Nice.
It's always neat.
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. What a blast. All that over some Burger King. I wouldn't service. I would not service this dude in front of me. I would just tell him to leave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, did you have an 8-piece nugget, a value fry, and a small water?
No, that's probably the asshole in front of me.
Yeah.
I got that on camera if you need it.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you spit at your window.
Yeah.
Then he looked at me all sideways. I was like,
That dude was scary.
I'll run you over.